Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. Today we're continuing in the series Decluttering, Cleaning and Organizing Our Bathrooms for 2021. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Today I'm cleaning yet another bathroom in our home and I'd love to take you along with me. Come with me. This cleaning caddy has all the products that I need for cleaning, just the basic. For example, I have the multi-purpose cleaner, I have the glass cleaner, some paper towels, and I have the toilet bowl cleaner and an old toothbrush, and of course other brushes in here. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to light up the candle here so that while I'm cleaning, the candle is lit, so it gives out a nice aroma in the bathroom. I've already cleaned all the areas in terms of the ceiling here. And I'm going to clean the toilet bowl area now. Now I've sprayed in the last 15 minutes the toilet bowl cleaner, and now it requires 15 minutes to rest, I guess, and now I'm going to do a little bit more deep cleaning in here. Now while that is drying, the brush that is, I'm going to use a wet cloth, which I'm going to throw away once I use it to clean all the toilet area. I've already used the product on there, and I'm going to wipe the entire area down. So I can throw that out right now. Now I'm going to do the sink. I'm using an old toothbrush. To clean this area. I've sprayed the solution in here already, so all I have to do is scrub and scrub until it's nice and clean. I'm going to use another old cloth to wipe this area, and this I'll throw out, so I don't need to put this in the wash or anything, because it's all from all the way. The dirt in here. So this I'm going to throw out as well. And now I'm going to take everything off the counter and wipe it down with just a general wipe, and then I will put the things back in. And the mirrors I've already cleaned. There's a lot of glass in this bathroom, as you can see, so I've cleaned most of it already. I do have it's just a regular Windex cleaner that we use on this. Nothing fancy, just a regular Windex cleaner. And I've already used the paper towel to wipe down the areas. And now I'm going to just go ahead and clean the entire counter off, put things back in place, and then we'll be all set with a clean and organized bathroom. I'm using just a regular sponge to clean the entire area here now. So this is nice and clean. Then I'll wipe it down with cleaning cloth here. Then the next step is to dry it with the paper towel and of course wipe the floor. Everything is on the floor that needs to go back onto the counter. I'll put those on and then I'll just wipe the floor. So here's this bathroom now, nicely clean and organized for 2021. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday in our next video. We'll do the final bathroom then, and you absolutely do not want to miss that. During the month of February, I'll be doing the kitchen reorganization as well, and that is something you definitely want to stay for. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like videos, organizational videos that is, or anything to do with cleaning and organizing your home. I'd love for you to be a part of our family here. Just by pressing that subscribe button below, you automatically become a member of our family here. And by pressing the bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Until next week, I look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.